The biggest problem or issue we face with automation is the lack of standardization. So one of the most important thing that we've tried to do is standardize each and every process, each and every raw material, each and every SOP, and each and every process flow that actually determines what a raw material enters the factory to the point where it reaches as a final product to the consumer at any part of the world. So to the point where we will be using cloud computing to know data about the animals that are actually supplying milk to our factory, or we will be doing contract farming with selective breeds of chilies or coriander to ensure that the spice level in the bakarwadi or the chiguda is always going to be the same throughout the year. So this obsession of controlling the raw material is something that we focus heavily on, and that is where the quality teams are also built on. And we work very closely with our vendors, where rather than being vendors, we now treat them as auxiliary units, where their sole job is to supply what we demand in that selective format. But with that, what we are able to ensure is that we give them continual growth, so they don't need to look outside for market.
Right.
So when all of this is controlled and it's funneled into a channel that comes into your factory, many things usually that can go wrong are prevented. So then the automation takes care of itself, that if everything is standardized, it will do its job.
True.
And then the packaging and the innovation comes after that, where whatever you've produced you can package, and then with packaging you can actually reach every corner of the world.